Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Greetings on the occasion of Open House Day, and a very warm welcome to Sacred Heart Convent. My name is Mudrini Cecilia Anont. You can call me Piano for short. Today I'm going to talk about why English language is so important. Although English is not the most spoken language in the world, English is a language of international communication. Like we can see, most schools include English in their curriculum. You can open doors to a world of opportunities for studies. If you can speak English, you can study anywhere in the world. But for this school, we also use English in many subjects that we learn, like coding. The teacher teaches us in many interesting things, like how to use Microsoft Excel and Word, and many others. Art. Teacher Carol uses English to help us with our creativities and how to paint. English. Like in the name, we use English to communicate in this class. Miss Karina and Miss Arlene uses interesting ways to help us learn about phonics, nouns, pronouns. Health. Teacher Tom teaches us about how to take care of our body and what to do in emergencies. Chinese. It's a third language that we learn in this school. We can use this to communicate with other people too. I will give an example with a sentence. 我的名字是风铃. That means my name is Feng Ling. Although Feng Ling is not translated into piano in Thai or English, but it's a name that my uncle gave me when I was young. When you can understand, for this makes for easy travel in many countries that you're interested in. When you can understand English, you will find a bigger world because you can communicate with other people. A great example that comes to mind is when my mom's friend from Germany, Australia, and Indonesia visit us. I can communicate with them using English and help them when they need support. For this makes for easy travel in many countries that you're interested in. There are many resources available in English language. For me, I love to read. Top literary works are written in English. You can enjoy that with watching a movie or listening to audio. One of my favorite activities in this school is to spell vocabulary every morning or sometimes at lunch. Collect points and redeem awards. As I said, learning English is not only important, but also gives us a lot of new opportunities and new experiences. Finally, I appreciate being considered for this role. Thank you for your time. I hope you enjoy for today. That's good enough, I guess.